This is Gene from the Adobo Test Kitchen, and I'm here to show you how to make an adobo sauce from scratch. We're going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 5 cloves of garlic crushed, and 1 teaspoon of whole peppercorns. So we're going to fry this up in high heat till the garlic is nice and brown. Now we're going to add a cup of soy sauce, and a cup of vinegar. Now we're going to add a tablespoon of cornstarch to a quarter cup of water, and we're going to stir it until it dissolves. So this is a slurry, and then what we're going to do is we're going to use this to thicken the adobo sauce. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of honey. 1, 2, and we're going to add the slurry. Now what we're going to do is we're going to bring this to a boil, and then we're going to set it to low for it to simmer. It's boiling now. I'm going to set it to low. We're going to cover this and set it to low. We are going to let this simmer for about 10-15 minutes until the sauce reduces. Alright, so this is done. Now we're going to strain the sauce to remove the ran the sauce through a strainer to remove the garlic and the peppercorns. And this is pretty much done. We're going to let it cool for a little bit, and then we're going to put this in a bottle. The sauce goes great with all kinds of meat, fish, and vegetables. So please make this at home and let me know what you think in the comments. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.